Yeah, sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, focal. Right. So, yeah, things to look out for. You might want to change your lithium grease. Get in there, do the contact switch in there. That's definitely worth doing. And also, there is, I can't remember which side it is. I think it's probably this side. There is the rewind film contact, and that I noticed on this one had become quite badly, not corroded or really badly, but it's just like these contacts here. Does this help? Just bring focus in. Like these contacts here as well. Just have a look at those and make sure they're clean. Any problems, and you just want a tiny little bit of vinegar on a Q-tip, and just gently backwards and forwards and clean it all out, and then that should be fine, and then you should be good to go. Then reassemble, and happy days, hopefully. So I hope that's helped someone. If it has, give us a like and a thumbs up, and I'll appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.